Alright, hey, what's going on today? Today we're going to talk about some extremely important information. Let me get ready for class. Give me a second. Today we're going to talk about some very important things, mostly where cancer and other things come from. The carcinogens that manifest in our body that create mutated cells and mutated cell growth. Hi, I'm Colt Walker, and let me take a minute of your time to save your life, because I am as well tired of seeing people walk the plank. So I said, I'm going to cut it off and I'm going to teach you today a little bit about what I know. Now, what if I told you I can tell you one thing, you'll never have to brush your teeth ever again in your life and your teeth will stay 100% perfect? You'd call me crazy, right? Why do we need that? Because we wouldn't sell toothpaste if people, it's called lactobacillus. Okay, you better get used to sexy terms like that, because that's all you're going to catch from me. That's all I use. Simply this put, okay, cancer and other things, the reason we die is because our gastrointestinal tract, we have miles of coiled up intestines in the upper and lower gastrointestinal tract. And as we take feces and fecal matter, gets in our gastrointestinal tract, and the bypass that sticks on the walls and other things in the E. coli system that cause it to mutate. But today, I want to talk about a broad spectrum antimicrobial, because an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. All right, today we are going to be talking about Kalanchoe pinnata, the leaf of life. Kalanchoe pinnata, the leaf of life. Now, Kalanchoe pinnata, the leaf of life, has many helpful characteristics, and we're going to go through each of them one-on-one. The first one we're going to talk about, Bromelium, is more than a miracle of nature. It doesn't just grow from a single leaf, it regenerates, multiplies, and heals. Used by traditional healers in Africa, India, Caribbean, South America, have used it for centuries for asthma, kidney stones, ulcers, infections, and deep tissue wounds. But it gets better than that. Inside each leaf is a compound called Bromelium A powerful molecule shown to cure cancer cells in lab studies by triggering apoptosis. So what we have first, and I'm going to write this on the board for you, is the first helpful in the Kalanchoe pinnata, the leaf of life we'll call it, is Bromelium. By a Bromelium A. Let me get out of the way for you. Bromelium A. Now, Bromelium A can cure cancer. By how? By triggering apoptosis. Now, apoptosis, the body's natural method of shutting down rogue cells. Alongside it are bufadiene analytes, natural steroid compounds that reduce inflammation. Sodium naproxen is over the counter as well, but that is a natural substance. And modulate the immune system. They're potent enough to ease chronic pain and serious enough to understudy, which is what we're doing now, autoimmune disease and tumor suppression. The flavonoids, quercetin, kaempferol, and glutathione defend your body at a cellular level as well. There are a lot of preventive measures you can do, like probiotics, to help the digestive enzymes process all the bacteria. They neutralize oxidative stress, strengthen blood vessels, and reduce system inflammation. That's why wounds heal faster when the leaf of life is applied. Now, the triterpenes, like aerosolic acid, stimulate skin regeneration, while its antimicrobial action acts against infection. It's also a lung healer, which is what I want to talk to you about during the COVID period. And you're gonna, if you want to remember this term now, COVID attacks the lungs and the respiratory by filling it with fluid. So something you can do at home if you want to try it. We are going to write it out. It is ursolic acid, and it is as a triterpene. And that is let's see. So the plant's natural mucilage coats and soothes the lungs, while its anti-inflammatory compounds calm the respiratory tract. It helps the kidneys, but so do ACE inhibitors. Even milk thistle has been proved by increasing the urine flow and reducing stone formation. So mucilage coating, uracilic acid, a triterpene. We have bryophilium A by triggering apoptosis in cancer cells. Blue fatty amyloids, the three that we were discussing, and you can research these on your own. Blue fatty amyloids, and quercetin, camphorol, and gluteolin. So these are all things you could be ingesting just from one leaf, and that is going to be spelled once again so you guys can research this at home and study it. Maybe it will help you with cancer, kidney stones, healing wounds, or something like that. Something I uncovered. You never know, folks. This miracle leaf of life, technical spelling is Kalanchoe. Panada. And just like the lactobacillus, they need to sell you toothpaste. We got to sell you the cure. But if you take an ounce of prevention and you do your part, maybe it'll curve you. Good luck and Godspeed.